Sir Boss, I represent for Jamaican Chat, Baddest Channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, before we jump in, may I beg everybody just like, share, subscribe on that video here. And we're going to big up Father God, because you don't know it's by force we have to big up Father God. Alright, so people, we're going to jump in right away. On the don't see what go on the screen here. Valiant to show you how versatile him is as an artist. He might play the drum and he might play to him own a tune, my people. You understand? Him also have a little session where him go acoustic on the people them. So I'm gonna make you just check out the drum playing really quick and then we're gonna come back. $100 billion and nothing for Jado. People who don't see what go on, the G play a drum. When they tell me what they think about it, is it any real talent or you feel like him just bang bang the drum all over the place? To me it's sick though. You understand? Fear do this, showcase how versatile he is as an artist. And I'm saying as to him own a song them him do it people, so thumbs up on that, some like button upon that. You understand? Some people, as me tell him, go a cappella upon the people one time. No, not a cappella, acoustic. You understand? And make it hear what go on upon that one real quick. Alright, Mumios upstairs. Alright, and that's a Valiant new song, my people. Broke Days, that song that just come out. So, my people, tell me anything about that. The whole acoustic vibe and all of them things, the background singers, live band and all of that. Me da check out in one of my video them over the weekend and somebody did say Valiant need to get more live bands. You understand? So I'm actually glad I was able to capture this so you can see it for yourself and tell me one thing, because this is him performing with a live band, so to speak, and he did this thing. You understand? He mash it up, man. Big up yourself as a diplomat. You understand? So people, you don't see what go on. This is really just a short vlog. Wanted to let you guys know what was happening in terms of what I saw. Valiant playing a drum and so on, and also going acoustic on the people and I know him have him team behind him and you can see the same team. So big up the man them, and una do a good job so far. You understand? Una do a good job so far. So all of my new watchers, all of my new listeners, may I beg you to please like, share and subscribe. It does a lot for the content, not to mention it does a whole lot for the channel itself. You understand? Pick up on yourself, and thank you for joining me back here at Jamaican Chat. Alright, I'm out.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Bad man, I wish you love. I'm fine. I'm fine. Bad man, I wish you love.